Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 maths and click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. So let's start with the chapter multiplication. The lessons we're going to cover today are multiply three or more numbers word problems, multiplication input output tables, inequalities with multiplication, multiply three or more numbers up to 2 digit each. So let's start with the first lesson, that is multiply three or more numbers word problems. Let me just write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Multiply three or more numbers word problems. Okay, let's just start with the first lesson. So okay, let me just go to grade 5 maths. Okay, here I'm on grade 5 maths. And the chapter we're working on is multiplication. So let me just start with the topic. Okay, here is the topic multiplication. So let's start with the lesson, that is multiply three or more numbers word problems. Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, so let me just read the first question. Just listen to me carefully. Got it? Okay, a crayon company put four crayons in each box. Okay, the boxes of crayons are arranged five across, five deep, and five high in a crate. How many crayons are in a crate? So you have to multiply all the numbers. They are 5 times 5 times 5 times 4. Got it? The numbers are the numbers are 4 times 5 times 5 times 5, because in each box they you have to place 5, sorry, because you have to the put four crayons in each box. Got it? And how can you put the crayons? You have to arrange them like five across, five deep, and five high. Got it? So you have to multiply all the numbers. So you can multiply them by making pairs. So let's just form the pairs. 4 times 5 is 20, and 5 times 5 is 25. Got it? Just multiply the non-zero numbers. 25 times 2, 2 times 5 is 10, 0 and 1 carry, 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 5. So it would be 50. 25 times 2 is 50, and add the 0. So it would be 500. Got it? That means the correct option is in the crates, the total crayons are 500. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the Okay button. 500 crayons. Got it. Okay, the next one is a pie company charges $2 for a slice of pie. They cut each whole pie into 8 slices. How much money will the pie shop make if they sell 3 pies? Got it? So the total pies are 3 pies. Each pie has 8 slices and each slice costs $2. Got it? So that means you have to do 2 times 8 times 3. Got it? So just multiply all the numbers. 2 times 8 times 2 is 16. You have to do now 16 times 3. Got it? 16 times 3 is 48. Got it? That means the total amount money they have to pay to sell 3 pies with 8 pieces, each $2 cost is $48. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a student at Gabe's school are keeping journals. They have 5 journal writing sessions per week. Each student writes 7 pages in each session. They will write in the journal for 5 weeks. How many journal pages will 10 students write in? All. Got it. Got it. So basically, you have to multiply all the numbers. The numbers are 5 journals writing session times they write 7 pages in each session. They will write in the journal for 5 weeks. And how many journal pages will 10 students write? So the total students are 10. Got it? So just pair up the numbers and multiply them. 7 times 5 is 35 and 5 times 10 is 50. Got it? Just do 35 times 5, multiply the non-zero values. Just do 35 times 5. So it is 5 times 5 is 25, 5 and 2 carry. 5 times 3 is 10 and 2 12. So it would be 125. Sorry, 5 times 3 is 15 and 2 17. So it would be 175 and add the 0. So it would be 1725. That means the total pages they write in 5 weeks and 5 journal sessions, 7 pages each, and 10 students can write 1750 pages in all. Got it? So just select the correct option. The correct option is 1750 and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the movie theater charges $4 per ticket. They have 5 rows of seats and 4 seats in a row. How much money can the theater earn in ticket sales for each show? Got it? The cost of one ticket is $4 and they have 5 rows in of seats and 4 seats in a row. Each row has 4 seats and the total rows are 5 and each ticket cost $4. So you have to calculate the total amount. Got it? So you have to do 4 times 5 is 20 and you have to do 20 times 4. So 20 times 4 is 80. Got it? That means the money can theater earn in ticket sales for each show is $80. They can earn $80 from each show. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, a school is selling cookies at as a fundraiser. Each box contains 3 cookies. Each student can sell 3 boxes of cookies. How many cookies can students sell? Got it? 3 cookies, 3 boxes, and 10 students. Got it? So you have to do 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 10 is 90. That means they can sell the total. 10 students can sell 90 cookies. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson, and the next lesson is multiply. m- The next lesson is multiplication input output tables. Let me just write down the lesson. multiplication input output tables. Okay, here I'm on the lesson. So let's start with the test questions. Got it. Okay, let's start with the first one. Complete the table. The rule is you have to multiply by 2. That means you have to multiply the each input value by 2 to find the output value. Got it? So the input value for the first one is, so the input value is 2. Just do 2 times 0. 2 times 0 is 0. That means here you have 0. Got it? Then the next input value is 1. Just do 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So here you have 2. The next one is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So here you have 4. Then the next one is 2 times 3 and 2 times 3 is 6. So here you have 6. Got it? That means the missing values are 0, 2 and 6. Got it? Just apply the rule. For each input value, you have to multiply the input value by 2 because the rule is multiply by 2. Got it? So the correct option is the first one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. 026 is the correct option. So just select the correct option, then click on the I think the page is stuck. 026 is the correct option. Yes, the Chrome is actually. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, what's wrong with the page? Okay, so select the correct option, then click on the. Actually, I think that's annotator is the one that is. Wait, let me end the annotator. Mm, what the hell is this? Okay. Okay, so the correct option is 026. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is multiply by 1. So you have to, the rule for the next one is multiply by 1. So you have to multiply each input value by 2 to calculate the output value. Got it? So multiply the values by 2. So 1 times 2 is, you have to do 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. The input value is, this is the input value, this is the rule. Got it? Then you have to do 1 times 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. Then you have to do 1 times 4, and 1 times 4 is 4. That means the correct option is 2, 3 and 4. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to multiply the each input value by 2 to find the output value. So which of the option is the correct one? You have to do 0 times 2. So 0 times 2 is 0. So here you have 0. You have to do 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So here you have 2. Then you have to do 3 times 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. So here you have 6. Got it? So the correct option is this one, 0, 2, and 6. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is multiply by 1. You have to multiply the each input value by 1 to get the output value. So which of the option is the correct one? The input value is 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. The next one is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. The next one is 7, and 7 times 1 is 7. You have to multiply each input value by 1. Got it? So the correct option is 2, 6, and 7. The second option is the correct one. Got it, everyone? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to multiply each input. Rule is multiply by 2. So basically you have to multiply each input value by 2. Got it? So which is the correct option? 0 times 2 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. You already have 6. 4 times 2 is 8. And 5 times 2 is 10. Got it? So that means the correct options are 0, 6, 8, and 10. So the correct option is 0, 8, and 10. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, complete the table. You have to multiply by 1. So the values are 2, 3, 5, and 10. So 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 1 is 5, and 10 times 1 is 10. So that means the correct option is 2, 3, and 10. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, complete the table. You have to multiply each input value by 2 to calculate the output values. Got it? So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 2 is the correct one. Got it? Because 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 5 is 10. Got it? Okay, the next one is again the rule is you have to multiply by 1. Got it? So you have to do 1 times 1 is 1, 5 times 1 is 5, and 8 times 8 is 8. Got it? So the correct options are 1, 5, 8, and 10. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, complete the table. Multiply by 2. So the rule is you have to multiply each input value by 2 to get the output values. Got it? So which of the option is the correct one? 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. And 5 times 2 is 10. So the correct options are 4, 6, and 10. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. If you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's just start with the next lesson, and the next lesson is inequalities with multiplication. So let's start with the next lesson, that is inequalities with multiplication. Okay, let's start with the lesson inequalities with multiplication. Okay, here is the lesson. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? Basically, you have to solve the both the sides, or the side you don't you have any, you have to solve the sides and then you have to put the sign that is either greater, less, or equal. Got it? So let's just start with this one, 47 times 2, because here you have just a number. Got it? So just do 47 times 2. So 47 times 2 is 2 times 7 is 14, right? 4 and carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8 and 1, 9. So it would be 94. Got it? So you have 93 and 94. You have to compare. So 93 is greater than 94 or less than 94? 93 is less than 94. Got it? So the correct option is less than. The first option is the correct one. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2 times 20 and 40. You have to make this, you have to look which sign makes the statement true. Got it? You have to do 2 times 40. So 2 times 40 is 40. You have to compare 40 and 40. So which of the option is the correct one? Greater, less, or equal? Yes, they are equal. Got it? So the correct option is equal. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which sign makes the statement true? You have to do 22 times, 23 times 2. Got it? So 23 times 2 equal. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. So you have to compare 46 and 46. Are they greater, less, or equal? They are equal. Got it? So 46 equals 46. So the correct option is equal. Got it? Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Which sign makes the statement true? 72. You have to compare it to 4 times 18. Got it? So just calculate 4 times 18. 14 times 8 is 72. Like 4 times 8 is 32. Here you have 2 and write 3 here. 4 times 1 is 4 and 5, 6, 7. So it would be 72. So 72 is equal to 72. Got it? So equal, the correct option is the equal. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to compare 82 and 23 times 7. Okay, just do 23 times 7. So 23 times 7. 7 times 3 is 21, write 1 and carry 2. 7 times 2 is 14, 15, and 16. So it is 161. You have to compare 82 and 161. So 82 is greater than 161 or less than 161? Yes, less than. 82 is less than 161. Got it? So the correct option is less than. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is which sign makes the statement true? You have to do 90, you have to compare 94 and 15 times 7. Sorry, 5 times 17. Just do 5 times 17. So it is 5 times 7 is 35. Write 5 here and carry 3. 5 times 1 is 5 and 6, 7, 8, it is 85. So 94 is less than 85 or greater than 85? Which of the option is the correct one? 94 is greater than 85. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which sign makes the statement true? You have to do 13 times 49 and then you have to compare it to 19. Obviously 13 times 49 is greater than 19. Got it? You can check by multiplying. 9 times 3 is 27. 7 and carry 2. 9 times 1 is 9 and 10, 11. Now you are going to multiply the tens digits. Write 0 right below the ones. 4 times 3 is 12. Write 2 and carry 1. 4 times 1 is 4 and 5. It would be 7. 2 times 1 is 3 and 5 times 1 is 6. So obviously 637 is much greater than 19. Got it? So the correct option is the greater one. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 45 and 2 times 30. So 2 times 30 is 60. Got it? So 45 is less than 60 or greater than 60? 45 is less than 60. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is which sign makes the statement true? 48 and 12 times 48. Which of the option is the correct one? 12 times 4 is 48. Got it? 12 times 4 is 48. So 48 is equal to 48. Got it? So the correct option is equal. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 74 and 13 times 5. So 13 times 5 is 65. Got it? So you have to compare 74 and 65. Got it? Let's just do 13 times 5. 13 times 5 is 65. 5 times 3 is 15. Write 5 and carry 1. 5 times 1 is 5 and 6. It would be 65. So you have to compare 74 and 65. So 74 is greater than 65 or less than 65? Yes, greater it is. 74 is greater than 65. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to come, which sign makes the statement true? 94 times 2 and 95. Got it? You have to do 94 times 2. So it is 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 9 is 18. You have to compare 188 and 95. Got it? So 188 is greater than 95 or less than 95? Yes, it is a greater. 188 is greater than 95. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, then the next one is you have to do 12 times 6. You have to compare it to 58. Got it? So 12 times 6 is 6 times 2 is 12. Write 2 and carry 1. 6 times 1 is 6 and 1, 7. So you have to compare 72 and 58. So 72 is greater than 58 or less than 58? 72 is greater than 58. Got it? So the correct option is greater. 72 is greater than 58. Got it? Okay, the next one is 2 times 37. You have to compare it to 83. Got it? So you just do 37 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Write 4 and carry 1. 2 times 3 is 6 and 1, 7. So you have to compare 83 and 74. Got it? So 83 is greater than 74 or less than 74? Greater it is. Got it? 83 is greater than 74. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? And the next lesson is you have to multiply three or more numbers up to 2 digits each. Let me just write down the lesson name. Multiply three or more numbers up to 2 digits each. Up to 2 digits each. Okay, let's start with the Okay, multiply two or more numbers up to two digits each. Let's just start with the test questions. You just have to multiply the numbers that are more than two digits. Got it? Let's start with the first example. 11 times 1 times 9. You have to multiply three numbers. Got it? So you always pair up the numbers. So you have just one pair, just do 11 times 1. 11 times 1 is 11. And then you have to do 11 times 9. Got it? So 11 times 9 is 99. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 6 times 2 times 7. So just make a pair of the numbers and then you have to multiply them. 6 times 2 is 12. Then you have to do 12 times 7. So just do 12 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Write 4 and carry 1. 7 times 1 is 7 and 1 8. So it is 84. Got it? So the correct option is 84. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2 times 8 times 2. So which is the correct option? 8 times 2 is 16 and 16 times 2 is, yes, 32 it is. Got it? So the correct option is 32. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay. So the next one is 12 times 9 times 8. 12 times 9 times 8. So just do 12 times 9. 12 times 9 is 9 times 2 is 18. 8 carry 1. 9 times 1 is 9 and it is 108. Got it? So now you have to do 108 times 8. Got it? Just multiply it with 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 4 and carry 6. 8 times 0 is 0 and 6. 8 times 1 is 8. So it is 864. Got it? The correct option is 864. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 12 times 12 times 7. 12 times 12 times 7. So let's do 12 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 4. 1 carry 7 times 1 is 7 and 1, 8. Then you have 84 times 12. Got it? Just multiply 84 to 12. 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 8 is 16. 1 times 4 is 4 and 1 times 8 is 8. So you have 8, 6 and 4, 10, 0, 1 carry 8 and 1, 9 and 1, 10. It would be 1008. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you have to do 11 times 7 times 9. Got it? 9 times 7 is 63. Just do 63 times 11. Got it? 1 times 3 is 3 and 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3 and 1 times 6 is 6. 0, 9, 6. Sorry, 3 plus 0 is 3, not 0. So it would be 693. Got it? The correct option is 693. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 4 times 4 times 10. 4 times 4 is 16 and 16 times 10 is 160. Got it? Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. So the next one is 6 times 6 times 5. So 6 times 5 is 30 and 30 times 6 is Yes, it is 180. Got it. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 12 1 times 10 times 12. So which is the correct option? 12 times 1 is 12 and 12 times 10 is 12 times 1 is 12 and 12 times 10 is 120. Got it? So the correct option is 120. So just select the correct option then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 5 times 8 times 6. 5 times 8 is 40 and 40 times 5 is 40 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So it is 240. Got it? Just select the correct option then click on the OK button. 3 times 4 is 12 and 12 times 2 is 3 times 4 is 12 and 12 times 2 is, yes, it is 24. Got it? Just select the correct option then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 7 times 4 is 24 and 24 times 10 is 280. Got it? Just select the correct option then click on the OK button. Okay, 10 times 3 is 30 and 30 times 11 is 330. Got it? So just select the correct option then click on the OK button. 12 times 3 is 36 and 36 times 1 is 36. Got it? So the correct option is 36. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, then 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 5 is 25. Got it? So the correct option is 25. So just select the correct option then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 8 times 1 is 8 and 8 times 2 is 16. Got it? So the correct option is 16. Just select the correct option then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We are working on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is multiplication and the lessons we have covered today are multiply 3 or more numbers word problems, multiplication input slash output tables, inequalities with multiplication, multiply 3 or more numbers up to 2 digits each. Got it? So if you have to complete the test, you have to complete the test for all the lessons later today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. Got it? So You can join me in the interactive sessions, interactive class. So the interactive classes are from 9 to 9:45. Got it? From grade 5 to grade 10. So you can come and join me in the interactive class from 9 to 9:45 daily from Monday to Friday. Got it? So that's all for today. If you click on the like button if you find the session helpful for you. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.